Hello and welcome to another episode of Raga. Today we have Ananda Bhairavi played by Sri M.R. Ramachandran. Anandam means happiness and the Ragam brings a happy mood to the listener. Ananda Bhairavi is an ancient raga which has its origins in the folk traditions of South India. If you can go back to the Kavadi Chandu, Pulli Kalavamayil Pagan, you will realize that this ragam bridges folk as well as traditional music and thus very versatile. I read this article online which says the fact that many folk melodies, kummi, marriage songs like Unjal, Nalangu, and lullabies exist in this raga proves not only the wide distribution of the raga but also popular aspects besides this its classical swarupa. This raga is considered auspicious, giving all happiness, and is capable of evoking the feelings of karuna, vatsalya, which is tenderness towards the child, and bhakti. Though Ananda Bhairavi being a very popular Janaranjaka raga, Tyagaraja Swami has composed only three songs in it. There is an interesting story I read about this. There was a musician during the period of Tyagaraja Swami whose name was Swaminath Iyer. Now, Swaminath Iyer was an expert in Ananda Bhairavi raga and had an extraordinary expertise in the raga. Swaminath Iyer was a part of a group that performed puppet shows, Bommalatam. Once, when his group came to Tiruvayyaru, the hometown of Tyagaraja Swami, he performed in Ananda Bhairavi and Tyagaraja Swami was highly impressed and asked Swaminath Iyer what he could give for him, for which he was asked not to compose in Ananda Bhairavi anymore. It was a way for people to be reminded of Ananda Bhairavi, Swaminath Iyer. Okay, now my personal favorite includes Sri Balamurali Krishna's Paluke Bangaramayana. Now let's listen to Anna play a delightful Ananda Bhairavi.
Namaskaram. Today's raga, it's a very pleasant raga. The raga is known as Anand Bhairavi. This raga is known as Shyama Shastri's very favorite raga. This is a Bhashanga raga where many outside notes are coming. Andaragantaram, Chaustri Devadam, Kakali Nishadam, all coming into play. So it is known as a Bhashanga raga. We will go into the Kridis in this raga. Right from Geetam there are Kridis. There is a Adadala Varnam, there is a Adidala Varnam, there is a Padavarnam composed for Bharatanatyam. And Annamaya has composed 3 Kridis in this raga. Purandradasa has created 1 Kriti. Bhadrajala Ramadas has composed a Kriti. The Kriti is Paluku Bangaru. Tyagaraja Swamigal has also composed Kritis in this. Neele Teliyaga. Shyama Shastri has composed the most famous Kriti in this raga, Marivere. Then O Jagadamba. Then Himachale Tanaya. Then Pahi Srigiri. Coming to Dikshidhar Kritis, Dikshidhar has composed a Navavarna Kriti in this raga, Kamalamba Samrakshidoham. Then Manasa Gurguha. Then there is a very famous Kriti, Tyagaraja Yoga Vaibhavam. Then one more Kriti is there, Anandveshwara. Swati Tirunal has composed 3 Kritis in this, and 3 Padams are there, 1 Tillana is there, and there is a Kriti in Kujelo Bhakhyanam. These are the famous Kritis in this raga. Coming to film songs, in Malayalam movie, when we search about the song in this raga, we will first get the song Techi Mandaram Tulasi. There is no substitute for that song, sung by P. Leela. Then Aaratin Aanagal Ezhunalli. All are very old songs. Then in Tamil movie, there was a very famous song, Mettu Podu Mettu Podu, in the film Duet. Thank you. That is all for the day. Thank you.
That was a wonderful Ananda Bhairavi Anna, and thanks for your picks also. To me, Sabarimalayil Tanga Suryodhyam by Yesudas and Sabarimalayil Vanna Chandrodhyam of T.M. Soundarajan ranks very high in Ananda Bhairavi. T.M. Soundarajan's famous Karpaga Vallinin Purpadangal, the Pallavi is Ananda Bhairavi and will forever be etched into everyone's memory. In Tamil movies, 1964, the movie Karnan, the song Poiva Magale Poiva Punnagai Sumandu Poiva, sung by Sulamangalam Rajalakshmi, and music by Vishwanathan Ramamurthy. It's a totally beautiful song in Ananda Bhairavi. In 1971, the movie Adi Parasakti, song Naan Aatchi Seidu Varum. It's a very popular song by P. Sushila, and music by K.V. Mahadevan. In 1985, the song Partale Theriyada Nokku in the movie Sri Raghavendra, sung by Manorama, music by Isaignani Ilayaraja. Manorama is a great singer, just like our own Vadivelu. In 1987, the song Chittu Pole Muttu Pole, movie Iniya Uravu Poothadu. In 1994, the movie Duet, Mettu Podu. Probably everyone knows this song now. It's a lovely song. I am told that both Kadri Gopalnath and A.R. Rahman worked on this song equally to make it a fantastic song. In 1995, the movie Asai, the song Konjanal Puruthalaiva, song by Thenisai Tendral Deva, lyrics by Vali. Only Hariharan Sir could have done justice to the song. He got a state award for the song. In 1996, I think that in the movie Kadal Desam, I believe in the song Kalluri Sale, the beginning lines, Inbattai Karuvakinal Pen, is also in this ragam, Wali's lines. Hariharan sir is simply brilliant with these lines. In 1997 movie Minsara Kanavu, the song Anbendra Madayile by Anuradha Sriram, it's my top favorite, and music by Rahman sir. Depending on what mood you are in, and when listening to the song, this can put you into a trance, or make you emotional, or put you into joy, or soak you into bhakti. 2006, the movie Vettayadu Vilayadu, the song Partha Mudal Nale. Only an artist like Bombay Jayasree could do justice to the song. I am a fan of Sid Sriram's Inkem Inkem in Telugu. I think it also has Ananda Bhairavi in part. Some songs in this list are examples of songs that have stood the test of time. Now, Raga therapy. One raga that is proven to reduce high blood pressure levels and promote mental stability and cure depression is Ananda Bhairavi. It's a good raga to hear during this lockdown period if someone should feel depressed. Thanks, and let's meet in the next episode of Raga.